Welcome back to JJD Outdoors. This week I ran out of fire starters, so I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to make your own. If you struggle to start a fire for your wood stoves or for your campfires or for your fire pits, this is an easy way how to start a fire. Okay, so I went to my local Tractor Supply. I bought some red cedar bedding. I ordered online some candlewick wax, and I have a stovetop burner here that I'm already melting the wax. Let's get to it. Spread it out. So I got about a couple inches in here. Now I'm going to take the wax, I'm going to pour it evenly on top of the cedar bedding. See, it's liquidy. Now I'm going to start mixing it up. And this stuff dries quickly. Okay, so you don't want it to be clumpy, and I'm still mixing it. I'm going to make it cool off a bit, and then I'm going to bag it. Okay, so I finished mixing it, and I let it sit for about 10 minutes so it's cooled off. Now I'm going to bag it. Tonight, temperature is going to be in the teens. So I'm going to show you how I use the fire starter. You only need a handful at a time. And I'll show you tonight how I use it in my wood stove. Should get a bigger scooper. So if you own a Brio pit or a solo stove, this works great for it too. You only need a handful at a time. Once this bag is full, this will probably last me the whole season. Okay, I'm gonna put a twist tie on this, and here's the finished product. Okay, so we're back at the house now. I preloaded a few pieces of wood. So I'm about to grab a nice handful fire starter. I got my turbo torch.
Okay, so fire starter is lit. This was gonna take a couple minutes for it to start to go.
So here's the fire starter that I made. Very easy to make. If you guys like these type of videos, please consider subscribing, give us a comment, and give us a like. We appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one.